AI visuals are everywhere, from viral TikToks to brand campaigns to the memes on your feed. But behind the scenes, a showdown is happening. Two names keep coming up: Seedream 4.0 and Nano Banana. One's from ByteDance, the company behind TikTok. The other is Google's lightweight answer to instant AI art. Which one's the real game changer? Let's find out. Round 1. Speed. We live in the scroll era. No one wants to wait minutes for a render. Nano Banana was built for speed. Quick hits, sharp results, no lag. Then came Seedream 4.0. It didn't just promise speed, it redefined it. Generating crisp visuals in seconds means content, pipelines, ad schedules, and social posts can move at full throttle. Nano Banana is fast, but Seedream is lightning. Round 2. Quality. Speed means nothing without quality. Nano Banana delivers vibrant, fun images that work for casual creators and look great on your phone. Seedream, though, plays at another level. Sharper details, more consistent compositions, and a polished finish. It's not just for scrolling past, it's brand-ready content straight out of the box. Round 3. Control. Here's where toys separate from tools. Nano Banana keeps it simple. You type, it creates. Seedream 4.0 gives you creative control. Lock in a visual style, keep a consistent look across assets, and edit results in plain English. Think point-and-shoot camera versus a full creative studio. And for teams and agencies, that flexibility matters. Round 4. Who it's for. Nano Banana is perfect for casual use, like students making memes, creators experimenting with thumbnails, or anyone who just wants something fast and free. Seedream is built for scale. Social media managers pushing daily campaigns, designers running brand visuals, startup founders needing pro-ready content without hiring an agency. For creators who treat content as currency, Seedream delivers. Close, verdict. So, who wins? Nano Banana is fun, simple, and accessible. But Seedream 4.0 feels like the real upgrade. Faster, sharper, and giving creators the control they actually need. Nano Banana keeps the casual crowd happy, but Seedream is where serious creators are heading. Seedream 4.0 versus Nano Banana. Two tools fighting for the future of AI visuals. Which side are you on? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you'd like a full Seedream 4.0 tutorial showing exactly how to use it in your workflow, comment tutorial below. Make sure you subscribe to Absolute Hub. We test the tools that don't just look cool, but actually save you time and level up your creativity.